morning, guys. Today me and Layla, we are building something together. So what are you gonna build today? So I got something from Shopee, building a 2-tier display rack. So I'm gonna show you guys how I assemble this. It's very easy, but it's just feel like building something and assembling something today. Let's go. So the whole thing comes up with this, with all the instruction manuals and also tools. So everything is packed nicely with the edges covered with this protective plastic ends. Only 4 pieces. So let's start assembling.
Okay, now yeah, I don't want to.
Show it to the lens. Yeah, all the tools, which is very convenient. So we've assembled the first tier. So we're just assembling the top. Alright, so we're done with the setup. This is it. Very simple. So this is where my display monitor will be. This will be where my peripherals or keyboard, and then the bottom end will be for my Mac Mini and my Apple G Duet. Alright, so guys, thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and enjoy the rest of the day. Bye bye. Alright, say thank you and goodbye. Bye bye.
You just got McDonald's. You got McDonald's.
Yes, we just did.